Let's act professional here. You focus on this guy, all right? You guys say you're gonna arrest me?
Trying to purpose today or not? Right. Come with us. Go ahead and walk across the street.
Why are you guys going hands-on with me, you guys?
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In early 2023, Sohai from the channel Tactical Ticket Checkers was traveling home on the TriMet light rail system. After dismounting the train, Sohai noticed an unusually large police presence and began filming. Many of the officers took notice but paid no mind to his actions. TriMet has specific film and photo guidelines, including a protocol respecting the First Amendment by allowing the general public to film without a permit or permission. Sohai continued to film and take pictures for nearly 10 minutes as the officers waited for the next train to arrive, and once it stopped, they boarded the car and removed one of the passengers. Sohai followed the drove as they brought the man to their cruiser.
Hey, dude, you need to go over there.
I'm just filming, boss.
That's fine. You can film from right here, but you can't film
I'm not interfering. Please don't bully me, boss. Or block my camera, boss. Come on. Let's act professional here. You focus on this guy, all right? The illegal. Why don't you focus on? Listen, boss.
You're using it for other than TriMet purposes.
Please.
You gotta go, man. If you don't have a TriMet ticket.
Oh, I stitched you tonight, bro. It's like criminal.
Thank you, officer.
Sohai remains at a safe distance and continues to record for a number of minutes while the officers search the man. And as he begins to walk away from the scene, one of the officers addresses him, but a train makes it difficult to make out what he is saying, so Sohai moves closer to hear the officer.
Oh, I can't hear you from here, boss. I can't hear you, but when you're done, I'm glad to listen to what you have to say. I can't hear you, boss. Do you want me to talk to you right now?
Hey, no, you gotta go away.
I'm just trying to film. I don't want to interfere.
Well, you are.
It's my own business.
Did you say I am? How do I not interfere? I'm just filming. I didn't know that was interference.
Recording from a safe distance is obviously not interference. Sohai had a TriMet ticket and was at all times on a public access sidewalk that travels through the Rose Quarter Transit Center. The courts have classified numerous transit-related spaces under the public forum doctrine and have specifically stated that public streets and sidewalks are the archetype of a traditional public forum. This classification generally prohibits the regulation of expressive acts covered under the First Amendment, which is why TriMet policy allows permitless filming in the first place. There are, however, some general restrictions that align with the time, place, and manner doctrine that address safety, the interruption of service, and accessing secure areas. Despite their allowances, the government has no standing to allow overbroad restrictions of civil rights if they do not affect the purpose of the facility or the free movement of the persons using the services. But the officers now go hands-on and detain Sohai.
Hey, now, officer, did you say you're gonna arrest me? Officer, did you say you're gonna arrest me?
What's that?
You guys say you're gonna arrest me?
Trying to purpose today or not? Right. Come with us. Go ahead and walk across the street.
What's going on here? Am I under arrest? Sir, oh wow, okay, why are you guys going hands-on with me, you guys? I'm not dangerous, okay.
You're either using the TriMet system or you're not, and you're not. So you're
Okay. I'm being exclusion. They said I'm not sure they're going hands-on though.
Exclusion for a non-TriMet. What's your date of birth again?
Yeah, I just filming.
Yeah, what's your date of birth?
6/13/1980.
You're either here to catch a train or you're not. Train or a bus, and you're not, obviously. So that's why you're being excluded.
I thought that this was a First Amendment protected activity.
This is private property, though.
I understand that.
The transit.
But
you have to either be utilizing it for transit
purposes.
purposes.
But I thought this was a First Amendment protected activity.
We're trying to explain it to you.
I understand, but I feel like I'm being selectively targeted.
You understand me?
So after I'll be arrested?
This exclusion, if you don't leave the area, you're going to be arrested. Yes.
So okay. And you are, sir?
Huh?
You are?
Deputy Farmer.
Deputy Farmer. And there's a reason why you guys got to be grabbing on me, you guys?
Huh?
Is there a reason why you guys got to be grabbing on me? Can you let go of me now?
Are you going to stand here?
Can you let go?
Walk away. Stay here.
Well, can you let go of me?
We had to escort you away from our car.
Why? What's going on?
This is your exclusion. You like sure.
Why am I being excluded? I'm using the train.
Okay.
How do you guys? What do you guys determine in me not using the?
We're gonna take you to jail.
I haven't. Okay, so that's all I'm going to say is I'm using the train. You're kicking me off. And what is the area? I mean, can I not film out here? Where can I film you?
All the way over onto public sidewalks.
Where's that?
This is all TriMet property.
This is not public access? This is not public sidewalk?
This is TriMet property.
This is TriMet. Okay, so I'm not allowed to film the police on TriMet property?
That's not what we're saying, Eli.
Is that what you're saying? Guys, I mean, you're issued the exclusion, right? And they went hands on me. Oh my goodness. All right, well, whatever, you guys. I thought I had a First Amendment right. How long am I excluded for?
It's all the paperwork that we gave you.
And I can't ride. How am I going to get home?
But you're also giving.
Are you not denying me my civil rights? How am I not going to get? How am I going to go home?
Would you like to leave, or do you want to get arrested?
How do I get home?
If you read the exclusion form, you understand how it works. Okay, so why don't you go ahead and read it, and then you can figure out how to get home.
And how do you get? Okay, well, all right, we'll figure this out, you guys. All right. It's funny, I guess. So where can I stand again on the sidewalk? Is underneath this stamp? Is this public access or? I mean, does TriMet own this street light?
I'm not sure.
Well, can I stand here and at least hold on to this? I mean, am I on TriMet property right now, guys?
Yep.
I mean, because of all the things I've seen people doing out here, how am I going to be targeted like this? You know, like. So am I like on an island of like? Can you guys give me a heads up and let me, because I don't want to go to jail.
Okay, I'll give
you know, I don't want you to go to jail either for like a malicious prosecution. You guys, is this TriMet property? You guys, Miss, I'm begging you, please. I'm just trying to exercise my First Amendment right, you guys. Ma'am, is this TriMet property? This is, as far as you know, yes. The whole Rose Quarter area.
Across the way, on the other side, maybe not, but.
What about over there on that sidewalk over there? There might be crimes going on. I don't know if these officers have ever attacked anybody. Maybe they've attacked me before. We'll figure it out. Thanks for issuing that, you guys. Thank you for getting it done. We're going to get to the bottom of this. Thanks, you guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Not a single member on scene verified whether Sohai was using the facility. Neither did any of the officers abide by the TriMet film guidelines. Due to their ignorance, Sohai was issued a 60-day exclusion, which he appealed based on First and Fourth Amendment violations, but the extension was overturned because they spelled his name incorrectly. Sohai then called the TriMet Trip Planning Center and informed them that he intended to use the TriMet property to film police operations, and they confirmed that they recognized that recording the police is constitutionally protected and encouraged him to have fun. He then filed a complaint with the Multnomah County Sheriff's Internal Affairs Department, but their response stated that his complaint, quote, does not meet the criteria for a formal investigation by our agency. So I'd like to know what you think. Were the officers right to order an exclusion from the property for the absolute non-crime of filming the police? Or do you think it was done in retaliation while abusing their authority and disregarding the constitutional limitations to it? Leave your answers in the comments, and be sure to head over to the Tactical Ticket Checkers channel to let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.